of it, as you can see on the satellite and radar. There is a little bit of a clutter, as you can see here in the downtown area, but for the most part, everyone's starting to dry out. The cloud cover is sticking around. I think drizzle will linger with us through this evening and into the overnight hours. This gets a little bit interesting as the temperature drops overnight. I would be careful of some icy sidewalks, driveways, or parking lots if you are going to be out and about. And it might be a little bit foggy for drivers too, especially in rural areas. So there goes the low. It's mainly going to be impacting the northeastern seaboard of the United States, and then eventually just skirting Atlantic Canada. We are setting ourselves up for a little bit of a quieter weather pattern as we move into this new week. It's going to be a mostly overcast day for your Monday. We might see a couple of sunny breaks around southern Georgian Bay, but here in Toronto, expect cloud cover to be a little more dominant. Keeping an eye on a disturbance that looks like it's going to approach us here in the lower Great Lakes, and then it becomes a little bit of a mist. So Tuesday is going to be another dry day, another mostly cloudy day, and then as we make our way into the day on Wednesday, I'm hopeful that we will see some of this cloud cover break up, and that's going to make way for a couple of sunny days here in southern Ontario, something we can all look forward to. Almanac for today. As mentioned, we made it to a high of 1 degree. This is a little bit warmer than normal. The seasonal average is around -2. It's interesting. We also had a very mild start to the new year last year. In fact, we had several 6-degree days in the first week of 2020. As we look ahead to tonight, the forecast overnight low is expected to be around -2 degrees here in Toronto. Factor in the winds, and it will feel a little bit cooler than the core temperature suggests. -5 will be the low in Parry Sound, -6 in Bancroft, -1 degree in Kingston, -4 in Peterborough, and -3 for you in Waterloo. Tomorrow's daytime highs in and around the GTA and the Golden Horseshoe once again expected to be around freezing or slightly above. 2 is what we're calling for here in Toronto. 7-day forecast looks like this. Those 2-degree highs are going to be with us until about Wednesday. Again, that's the day that we start to see some clearing. Thursday, lots of sunshine, temperature a little more typical of this time of year. Overnight lows becoming more normal too, but this is a nice looking stretch of sunny weather as we head into next weekend. Not much in the way of snow, if that's the kind of weather that you like. That's a 7-day forecast. Andrea, sending it over to you.
Thank you, Lindsay. Thousands of TTC employees work countless hours to move the people of Toronto.